The universe is full of mysteries, some so mind-blowing that they challenge everything we thought we knew about reality. What if I told you there's a planet where it rains molten glass? Or that a mysterious force is pulling our entire galaxy at 14 million miles per hour? Buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into 10 of the most jaw-dropping facts about the universe, and trust me, you won't look at space the same way again. Let's begin. Right now, the night sky is filled with billions of stars. But believe it or not, there was a time when the entire universe was completely dark. No stars. No galaxies. Just endless blackness. This period is known as the Cosmic Dark Age, and it lasted for nearly 100 million years after the Big Bang. During this time, the universe was filled with only hydrogen and helium. No light, no structure. But then, gravity took over. Slowly, gas clouds collapsed, temperatures skyrocketed, and the first stars were born. These cosmic pioneers ignited like massive fireballs, ending the Dark Age and illuminating the universe for the very first time. Without these first-generation stars, we wouldn't have galaxies, planets, or even life. Every atom in your body, including the oxygen you breathe and the carbon in your DNA, was forged in the heart of these ancient stars. So, in a way, you are made of stardust. Water is essential for life. But did you know the biggest water source in the universe isn't on Earth? It's floating in deep space, surrounding a supermassive black hole. This enormous water cloud, discovered 12 billion light-years away, holds a mind-blowing 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. But here's the crazy part. This water isn't in a calm, peaceful state like our oceans. It exists as superheated vapor, swirling around a quasar, a black hole that's devouring matter and spewing out powerful radiation. If we could somehow collect even a fraction of this cosmic water, we'd have enough to supply Earth for billions of years. This discovery proves that water, one of the key ingredients for life, is far more abundant in the universe than we ever imagined. We've all heard about planets orbiting stars, like Earth around the Sun. But what if I told you that there are planets with no star at all? These are called rogue planets, and they drift through space completely alone. Scientists believe there could be billions or even trillions of them, possibly outnumbering stars. Some rogue planets are frozen wastelands, wandering through the darkness. But others might have internal heat, meaning they could support life beneath thick icy surfaces. Imagine an alien world where the only warmth comes from the planet's core, with hidden oceans and strange life forms thriving in total darkness. Could rogue planets be secret havens for extraterrestrial life? We don't know yet, but the idea is absolutely fascinating. If space is a vacuum, it should be completely silent, right? Well, not exactly. The early universe was filled with sound waves, and they helped shape galaxies as we see them today. Scientists discovered these ancient cosmic sound waves by analyzing the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. And get this, NASA even converted these waves into sound. The result? A deep, eerie hum that sounds like something from a sci-fi horror film. Even though we can't hear space directly, the universe is constantly vibrating with energy. Every star, galaxy, and black hole sends out signals that can be detected, just not by our ears. Imagine looking into space and seeing nothing. No stars, no galaxies, just an empty abyss stretching across millions of light-years. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it's called the Boötes Void. This mysterious region is one of the largest known voids in the universe, spanning 330 million light-years. To put that in perspective, if the Milky Way were inside this void, we wouldn't see another galaxy for hundreds of millions of years. Scientists still don't fully understand why this massive empty space exists, but some theories suggest it could be evidence of cosmic expansion or even parallel universes. Whatever the reason, it's one of the biggest mysteries of modern astronomy. Imagine standing on a planet where the sky is a deep blue, but instead of fluffy clouds, you see glass particles swirling in hurricane-force winds. That's the horrifying reality of HD 189733b, a massive gas giant located 63 light-years away from Earth. At first glance, its blue color might remind you of our own planet. But don't be fooled, this world is a hellscape unlike anything we've ever seen. The reason? Its atmosphere is packed with silicate particles, which means that instead of water, it rains molten glass. And that's not even the worst part. The winds on this planet rage at 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. That's faster than a speeding bullet. Imagine tiny shards of liquid glass being blasted sideways at hypersonic speeds, shredding anything in their path. If a spaceship tried to land here, it would be torn apart in seconds. Scientists discovered this planet using the Hubble Space Telescope, and it remains one of the most extreme exoplanets ever found. It's a reminder that not all planets are hospitable like Earth. Some are literal nightmares floating in space. For years, we've been told that nothing can travel faster than light. And yes, light is incredibly fast. It moves at 186,000 miles per second. That means it takes just 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. But guess what? There's something even faster than light. And that's space itself. The universe isn't just expanding, it's expanding at faster-than-light speeds. This means that some galaxies are moving away from us so quickly that their light will never reach Earth. They are effectively disappearing from our visible universe forever. This discovery comes from studying something called the cosmic redshift. As galaxies move away, their light stretches into longer, redder wavelengths. And here's where it gets crazy. The farther a galaxy is from us, the faster it's moving away. Some are receding at millions of miles per hour, carried by the expansion of the cosmos itself. Now, what does this mean for the future? Over billions of years, more and more galaxies will vanish from view. Future civilizations might look up at the sky and see nothing. Just a vast, empty void. We are living in a rare time where we can still see the vastness of the universe, but one day, it may all fade away. Black holes are the most terrifying objects in the universe. They are so dense that not even light can escape them. But what actually happens if you fall into one? Well, it's not pretty. Scientists call it spaghettification, because you get stretched into a thin, noodle-like shape. Here's how it works. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so powerful that it creates an extreme difference in force between your head and your feet. If you fall in feet first, your legs would feel way more gravity than your upper body. The result? You'd get stretched out like a piece of spaghetti, long, thin, and utterly obliterated. And this process doesn't happen instantly. As you fall deeper into the black hole, time slows down from your perspective. If someone were watching you from a distance, they would never actually see you cross the event horizon. You'd appear frozen in time. But from your perspective, you'd be pulled deeper and deeper until you reach the singularity, the point where all known physics breaks down. What happens inside? No one knows. Some theories suggest you'd be crushed into an infinitely small point. Others propose you could be ejected into another universe. One thing's for sure, once you're in, there's no coming back. You may think the Earth is moving fast, orbiting the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. But that's nothing compared to what's happening on a much larger scale. Our entire Milky Way galaxy, along with thousands of other galaxies, is being pulled at an incredible speed of 14 million miles per hour toward a mysterious force called the Great Attractor. But here's the catch. We don't even know what it is. This cosmic enigma is hidden in a region of space called the zone of avoidance, a part of the sky that's completely blocked by our own galaxy's dust and stars. Scientists suspect it could be a massive supercluster of galaxies or an enormous concentration of dark matter. But because we can't see it, it remains one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. Whatever it is, it's powerful enough to drag entire galaxies toward it, reshaping the structure of the cosmos. And the craziest part? Even though we're speeding toward it at 14 million miles per hour, we'll never actually reach it, because the universe is expanding at the same time, constantly shifting the cosmic landscape. What if I told you that our universe isn't the only one? Some scientists believe there could be an entire shadow universe existing alongside ours, one that we can't see, touch, or interact with. This idea comes from the study of dark matter, an invisible substance that makes up 85% of all matter in the universe. We know dark matter exists because we can see its gravitational effects on galaxies. But here's the mind-blowing part. Some physicists believe that dark matter might be part of a completely separate reality. Imagine a parallel universe where the laws of physics are different, where there might be shadow planets, shadow galaxies, and even shadow life forms. These beings wouldn't see us, and we wouldn't see them, yet we both exist in the same cosmic space. Some scientists even suggest that gravity might be the only thing that leaks between these two universes. Could strange, unexplained cosmic anomalies be evidence of a hidden reality? Could we one day find a way to contact this shadow universe? Right now, it's purely theoretical, but the possibility is both mind-bending and thrilling. And there you have it, 10 absolutely insane facts about the universe. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing space content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and keep looking up.